Hi, I'm Deborah, Customer Success Manager for Gain. In this video, I'm going to show you how to annotate on a document that is pending your approval. Any collaborator or approver can make annotations. In this example, I'm going to request changes on this Adobe Photoshop file, but it works exactly the same way with a text document or image. Start by going to the field where you would typically request changes and click on this Annotate button. This will turn your cursor into a little cross that you can now drag over what you want to annotate. As you can see, it creates a frame that you can now resize or move around until it's right where you want it. When you're happy with the placement, click on the check mark, and now you can write your notes in the comment field. I'm going to leave a few comments throughout this document so that you can see what the final result looks like. Next, to save your annotations, click on Request Changes. The last thing that I want to show you is, if I click on an annotation that refers to an outdated version of the image, Gain will let me know what I'm looking at is actually a previous version of the file. To get back to the newest version, just click on Latest Version at the bottom of the file. And that's how it works. Happy annotating!